Before using the Geratherm Classic, clean and disinfect the thermometer before and after each use. Please check the measuring liquid. It should be below 36 degrees Celsius. If this is not the case, the thermometer needs to be reset. To do so, insert the Geratherm Classic into the reset device and slide it in until the tip protrudes by approximately 2 cm. Hold the reset device securely between your thumb and index finger at the designated grip area. Shake the thermometer firmly from the wrist for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Alternatively, you can perform a few short controlled flicking motions. Check the reading again. If the measuring liquid is still above 36 degrees Celsius, repeat the procedure. With a little practice, you'll get the hang of it quickly.